Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is if you are facing this kind of blue screen error, startup repair could not repair your PC. In this video, I will show you how to fix it. So let's start. Click on this advanced option, then click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option. The first step you can try is click on this option system restore. Now select your login username. Now enter your login username password. If you are not using any password, login password, leave it blank and click on continue. So in my system, I don't have any restore point. That's why I'm getting this cross icon. But if you have any restore point, you will get a chance to restore your computer to the back date and this will fix your issue. Now move on to our next step. Again, click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option. Now click on this command prompt, click on it. Now we will type few commands to repair our Windows corrupted files. So let's start with our first command. Bootrec /fixmbr, press enter. So this command will fix our mbr file. Now type the next command. Bootsect /nt60 sys, press enter. Now type the next command. Bootrec /fixboot, press enter. Now type the next command. Bootrec /rebuild bcd, press enter. Now type the next command. ssc /scan now, press enter. And this process will take around 3 to 5 minutes to complete. So the verification process completed. So these are the command which helps you to repair your Windows corrupted files. Now move on to our final command which helps you to remove the error from your hard disk. chkdsk /f c:. Type this command, then press enter. Process completed. Now type exit, press enter. After that, click on continue. So this will fix your issue. And if you are still getting the same issue, click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option. Now click on startup settings, click on restart. Now you will get this option, startup settings, and there are 9 options. So go for the 9th one, the last one, disable automatic restart after failure. So to select this option, press F9 function key. And you can see my issue has been resolved. But if you are still getting any kind of error by pressing F9 key, you can go for the other key or open your system in safe mode. I will show you how to do it. Open the same screen again. Now press F5 function key to open your system in safe mode. Now my PC is in safe mode. You can see the safe mode logo. Now what you have to do is, if you recently install any software or any game, or if you install any Windows update manually and after that you are getting this blue screen error, startup repair, what you have to do is you have to uninstall that software or that Windows update. I will show you how to do it. Click on your Windows icon. Now type control panel. Click on this control panel option. Now go to this view by and change it to small icons. Now click on this program and features. So if you recently install any software or any game and after that you are getting this issue, you have to uninstall that application. So you can also sort by date wise. Okay. Now right click on the software, then click on uninstall. Or if you install any Windows update manually, you can also uninstall that Windows update as well. On the left side, click on view install updates. So these are the Windows update I have. You can also arrange these update by date wise to identify which is the latest Windows update you installed. Now if you recently install any Windows update and after that you are getting this error, you can also uninstall that update. Simply right click on it and then click on uninstall. Now cut this window. After uninstalling the update or uninstalling the software, simply click on restart and it will fix your issue. So these are the troubleshooting steps you can apply to fix your startup repair error. This is all for the video. Thank you.